Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to talk about the dual internet connection means of using the Wi-Fi and the 4G. Is it possible in this MI11X at same time or not? As you can see, friends, so right now I connected to the 4G data and the Wi-Fi at same time. And is there any kind of settings which is available in this MI11X device, so where you can use the 4G and the Wi-Fi at same time or not? So that is what I'm trying to explore in this complete video, friends, to see is there any options to play around or not. And why I selected this kind of topic is because these are the same options which are currently present in the OnePlus devices. So where if you go to the OnePlus device, Wi-Fi and network, there's an option called dual channel network acceleration, as you can see here. So whenever you click that option, you do get the two options, intelligent network connection and dual channel download acceleration, as you can see. So whereas this will help a lot in terms of the 4G and the Wi-Fi usage at the same time. So this is a really good interesting feature which is present here. But right now let's see, friends, in this MI11X device. So I was unable to find any of those kind of options. As you can see, friends, there is no options at all in terms of this connection and the sharing. So even I cannot see anywhere. So there is no options. And definitely there should be some kind of different kind of settings, friends, so which will help in terms of the keeping a network stable. So similar option like this, as you can see. So using the Wi-Fi and the data connection, so intelligent network connection. So right now, as you can see, friends, my Wi-Fi connection is not doesn't have any kind of internet at the moment, as you can see here. So when I try to enable these options, even I did turn on the 4G data, when I try to enable this option, what happens is that it will automatically recognize the Wi-Fi doesn't have connection, it will switch to the 4G data. So that is what happens if you enable this option. But in those kind of options is not present at the moment in this MI11X device. But there is another trick how you can actually do that by using the third-party applications, but that won't work perfectly. But I can try myself exploring that kind of application. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. So is a complete walkthrough, friends. Is the 4G plus Wi-Fi at same time usability is possible or not? And the answer is that you cannot use both at same time, so you can use only one. So that's another disadvantage. So maybe in the next update, MIUI 13, so we might expect that kind of features which will be integrated into the Wi-Fi more. So let's see, friends, what will happen in the future. And thank you for watching this video, and definitely stay tuned for that application in case if you are interested to know how you can actually do that. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.